guys, welcome and welcome back to yet another video. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a first timer here, if it's your first time meeting this beautiful, unapologetic and confident woman, my name is Cindy Wetu, and here I talk about, story time, lifestyle, travel. And in today's video, I don't want to waste time with you guys. I am gonna go right into it. So as you know, recently it was my birthday. It was literally how many days ago? Like 3 days ago? 2 days on that? Let me check. Oh no, 5 days ago. So right now I'm gonna go right into unboxing. And well, I started already, to be honest with you. I already unboxed, and you see this top that I'm wearing was part of anyway, let me sit nicely. Yes, so this part that I'm wearing was part of whatever like I got for my birthday. I didn't buy them. My birthday to begin with was quite chill. Like I was just let me move this camera. Okay, yeah, so my birthday was quite chill actually. I remember that morning I woke up and I was just laying in my bed. I really didn't have any plans. I was just chilling, and then I got a notification bell on my phone, and then as soon as I checked, it was my friends and people that I'm familiar with wishing me a happy birthday, So I said, you know what, I'm gonna get up, take a nice warm bath, and then dress and at least feel like it's my birthday, like not treat it like any other day, kind of stuff. So yeah, I said that, but I still continued laying in bed, which is quite ridiculous. The struggle, the debate between should I come out of bed or no, kind of thing. Yeah, so that is what I did, and I ended up coming out of bed at around 10. I wanted to shoot, but it was nicely interrupted. That is why we are shooting today, several days later. I'll give you the details towards the ending of this video. Anyways, I have a few gifts with me here and quite nice surprises that I received. I'm not gonna share everything, but I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what I got. And to begin with, I got this beautiful top from Fashion Nova. These pants that I'm gonna stand up and show you, yeah, they're cargo pants, red cargo pants from Fashion Nova. And the highlights. No, should I start with the highlight? No, let me just show you. I have them right next to me, so I want to share with you. Oh guys, this was also a surprise. I've always wanted this so bad, but mostly to go to the gym with, because I don't like to hear other people. I don't want to be talked to when I'm at the gym, and not in a bad way, but I just feel like certain people just come to the gym just to stand and to waste your time, and sometimes you don't have the time to waste talking to people at the gym. So I really wanted this. For the first time, guys, I'm owning this. I remember back in college I had a red one, but it had a very long story behind it. And look at this. It's giving take me to Turkey, right? I love it. I can't believe it. Like this, I definitely rock it when I'm going on a vacation and to the beach. I really like it. So yeah, I don't know, is this side supposed to be in front or at the back? I don't know, guys, you tell me. I think this should be in front. Yeah, so you guys, you tell me. I don't know, it's my first time to be a hat owner my entire life. Oh my gosh, it's bad. But yeah, I'm so grateful, you know, super grateful for everything. Yeah, so this hat, I got it from my husband bought most of these gifts for me, like 99%. The 1% is me and my best friend. Yeah, so my husband got me this out of nowhere. I didn't even talk about it, so he just saw it and I'm like, this would look good on my, you know, on my queen. Yes, guys. So another one is this vacational bag. I don't know how to call it. What is this? What do you call this? I don't know, but this bag for vacay. Can you see it, guys? Like, I definitely carry this to the beach. I'm going to the beach. Yeah. I love it. It's so thoughtful. I mean, and then what stands out for me the most are the handles. Like, they're not regular, like, you know, the ones that are made from the same things, like sexual whatever, or sewings and stuff. This is some quality stuff. And then here's made of leather, and the handles, I don't know what they're made of. Oh my gosh, but I love it. I'm so in love with it, literally. So I feel like this is a sign from my husband that I should start thinking of going on vacay. What do you guys think? Maybe this is a sign that I should go on vacay. So it's okay. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, and then yeah, you are right. Actually, I'm right, because tell me why. All this are beach wear. All this. I think it's taking me to the beach. I think my husband is taking me to the beach, guys, because all this is beach wear. Oh my god, this is a sign, guys. This is a sign. Look at this print. Of course, I'm not gonna wear it and show you, but of course, if I go to the beach, you'll be the first people to see it. Look. This is a sign. So I'm excited. It's quite a few, like, ooh. I'm excited. So this one I'll try when I'm on vacay. If we happen to go for a vacation, I'll definitely I'm gonna show you. Actually, I'll combine it with this video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Love, could you please reduce that volume to 0? Thank you so much. So hey guys, as I was saying, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy Wetu, and we're going We are going pro. This is my first video ever, like trying to record on my GoPro that I received as a gift, my birthday gift. Yay! And as you can see, I'm just chilling on my couch at my house and I'm trying it. And yeah, so I want to see what I can do. I'm super excited. Tomorrow, is it tomorrow, love? No.
Tomorrow what?
When am I traveling? When am I gonna shoot the Oh, on Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, so on Monday I'm traveling, and yes, I will show you what I'm about. But for now, I'm just indoors and I'm trying this. I'm super excited. Yes, so let's get this going.